If you want to start a YouTube automation channel and if you want to make money on online using AI automation, and definitely you have to monetize your YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how we can create a faceless YouTube automation, and it's a step-by-step process. And if you search on YouTube AI faceless YouTube automation course, and you will find my channel Raihan Rifat, and this is AI faceless YouTube automation full course part 5, and this is completely free tutorials. Just watch these tutorials and follow the steps and practice it. Okay, so this is part 6 guys, and we have already done part 5. Okay, so if you are a beginner and if you are a student and if you want to really make money on YouTube and using AI videos, so this completely playlist for you guys. In the last part I just showed you that how you can create AI videos. Okay, and these are the videos that you already generated using AI, and it's a long queue. We have to produce 60 content, that's mean 60 short video. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. Here you can see complete 0 subscribers, there is no videos, this is completely empty. It's a brand new YouTube channel that I already created, and I showed you a step-by-step process how we can create a brand new YouTube channel, how you can set up your YouTube channel logo, banner, and etc. Okay, here you can see there is no content available here. So we have ready YouTube channel, we have videos, and we have all the script that I generated, and I showed you that how you can generate it. Okay guys, so if you want to create AI videos, so follow the steps, follow the other tutorials, that's been our playlist. You can watch the other videos. So this is the script guys, and this is the title. So in this video I will show you very quickly how you can generate short video, and then I will upload in front you guys. This is first time I will upload our first video, and then slowly and surely I will upload rest of the video. Okay, and I will show you our progress. Okay, I will show you the analytics. Right now it's completely 0 right now. Here you can see nothing here. Okay, so I will show you everything analytics, that's how much subscribers we have gained and views, and also the watch hours. Okay, so let's go back to our script and just copy the script over here. So this is the tools I showed you that how we can use the short video. This is the best tool forever. You can see the short.ai. so just log in with your Gmail account and just use the tools. Okay, you can see the AI story video, so click on that and select the Disney style, and you will find the different style over here. So you can select next and click on custom script and the paste the script. Perfect. So that's mean we want to produce a video on this topic. Okay, so click on next, and this is section, and in this section you have to select the subtitle template. Select this one, it's a number 5 subtitle. Click on next, and in this section you have to select the audio. This is pretty simple, and this is one of the easiest tool you can generate short video. Okay, so I am select David, that I already generated all the videos using a David voice. Okay, so it's time to generate the video, so click on generate the video. So this is how we generated our all the videos. Here you can see all the generated videos using these tools. It's amazing. Here you can see within few seconds it will get you a video. I'm going to upload our first short video guys, and I'm really super excited. Alright guys, so let's upload our first video. So click on upload and click on upload video, and select all the files and upload it. Here you can see, so currently we are uploading 9 videos. Here you can see 5 seconds left. Okay, so once it finally done, I will show you how we can edit. That's mean how we can add the SEO title, that we already have SEO title, how we can add description, how we can add tags over there. Alright guys, so let's go back to our YouTube channel. Alright guys, so finally we have uploaded all the videos. Okay, so let's edit and let's publish the video. So click on the first video, click on details, edit. Here you can see explore the most expensive homes in the USA. So it was our first video, that's been the first YouTube video. Okay, so let's change the title over here. Okay, so let's copy the title and go back to video title, remove this and just insert the title over here. Okay guys, and just insert the title once again in the description and scroll down, just select no, it's not for kids, and select yes, it's a AI generated content. Perfect. And then copy all the tags over here. So let's copy the tags and then paste the tags over here. And then click on public and then click on publish. So this is our first video. Alright guys, as you can see, this is our first video. Okay, so I will do it again. That's mean I will do edit each and every shorts video, and I will add all the titles and the tags. Also you can add description. That would be great guys. Okay, so you can use ChatGPT. Okay, so I will add also description over here. That's mean I will add a description, okay, in this section. Alright, so write a comment, write a YouTube video description about this is our title. Please enter. So you don't have to hire any writer. Okay, so you can write as your own style. Okay, so just copy the description over here, YouTube description, and the paste all the description over here. Okay, you can see it's look amazing guys. So we have some emojis and we have some styles over here. Okay, alright guys, so successfully we have uploaded our videos. This is perfectly done. 90% score. It's a SEO friendly title and it's a description. That's amazing guys. And so we have done the tags over there. Okay, so this is how we can perfectly upload YouTube shorts video. All right, so we have a long queue, like we have just this script and we have to create the videos and we have to upload. So I will upload 60 videos. Okay, so and I will show you the next video how many views we got, how many subscribers. Alright guys, so if you find this video is helpful, so don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch the other videos. So if you have any queries, please comment below, so I will come back with new tutorials. See you in the next video.